Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to open a demo Forex trading account that is super easy, super quick, and it's free. And then later on in the video I'm going to be talking a little bit about what I'm going to use my trading account for. So make sure you stick around right until the end. The broker that I'm going to be using in this video today is Cedarfx for quite a few different reasons, which I'll probably share more about in a separate video. They have lots of great features, including the ability to sign up from anywhere in the world. They have lots of leverage available, and they have very, very low and also an option for 0 commissions. Also, they offer a free demo account that never expires, so it's brilliant if you are new to trading or if you are testing a strategy and you want to practice in a risk-free environment. And for this demo account, you can use it on desktop or you can use it on your phone using the MetaTrader 4 app. I have got a link below in my description to Cedarfx, so feel free to click on that and follow along with me, and let's get creating a demo Forex trading account. Hey guys, so here I am on the homepage of Cedarfx and I'm simply going to click on sign up. There are a few details here that you need to enter to sign up. Now, although it says open your live account now, you don't actually have to submit any funds and you have to follow this step to be able to create your demo account. So you need to just enter your name, your email, your date of birth, your gender and a password, and most importantly, accept the terms and conditions and then click on sign up. Once you've done that and you've verified your email, you can sign straight into your dashboard. This is the dashboard of Cedarfx and they make it really, really easy to use. As you can see along the top, you've got a timeline of the steps you need to do to be able to trade. So I have simply just signed up. That's all I need to do to open a demo account. If you do want to follow the process through, then that involves just entering your phone number and verifying that for security purposes, depositing funds, which you can do using Bitcoin, and then creating your MetaTrader account and then starting to trade. Now, it's a really easy to use platform. We've got a lot of different links on the left hand side here so you can see the different trading accounts you have open, but I'm going to stick with demo accounts for this video. So if we click on demo accounts, it does give you some step-by-step instructions on how to create a free demo account. Now, as I said before, you can do it on your computer or you can do it on mobile. So I'm going to do it on the computer here so you can see what I'm doing. But essentially, all we need to do is download MetaTrader. We're going to create an account within MetaTrader and then we are all ready to trade. So I'm going to hover over platforms at the top and I'm going to click on MT4 Windows. That downloads the platform to my desktop, which I'm going to install now. Whilst it's installing, it's time for a brew. And once that has finished installing, it should automatically open the MetaTrader 4 platform. Now you can see there are two options that automatically come up. There are the real account option or the demo. So I'm going to click on demo and I'm going to click on next. And we don't have an existing trade account, so I'm going to click on new demo account. Simply enter in your name, your email and your phone number, and then at the bottom here you can enter in account type. So I'm going to click on Cedarfx Great British Pound Pro because I want to be using pounds, and you can choose how much you want to deposit as well. So I'm going to select £10,000. I'm going to leave the leverage at 1 to 500, but if you want to choose less leverage, you can also do that. And once you've entered all those details in, you just click on next. This will register your account with Cedarfx and with MetaTrader 4. So that is linking your broker with MetaTrader 4, enabling you to trade in a free demo account. And it should show you your login and your password. Those two details are at the bottom and they are in bold. They're super important. Make sure to keep a note of those because that's what you want to use to log into the platform. And you can use that to log into the platform on desktop, or you can download MetaTrader onto your mobile phone and you can log in using that as well so that you can trade on the go. So I'm going to click finish. So it's automatically logged me into the account, and on the left hand side here you can see your account details. At the bottom you can see your balance, and if you go into mailbox you should have a new account registration message. That's where you can find your user ID and your password, so if you did miss them the first time there is another opportunity to get those details from there. And that's it, it's that easy. Now you have access to a demo account that never expires and enables you to trade a wide range of assets using a reputable broker. On the left hand side here, underneath Market Watch, if I just make this a little bit bigger, If I right click and show all, you can see that these are pretty much all the pairs that you can trade. Or if I click on this little plus icon here to add a new chart, it does divide it into useful asset classes. So you can see the Forex majors, the exotic pairs, you can see what indices are available, futures, there's quite a few stocks available, the crossover pairs for Forex, energies, metals, and some cryptocurrencies as well. And at the beginning of this video, I did say that I was going to talk a little bit about what I want to use this account for. So if you are one of my regular subscribers, you might be wondering what I'm up to. Well, I recently created a video sharing a new strategy for trading the London breakout session. I have included a link above if you did miss that video. And that was a great experience because although I was backtesting, the strategy proved to have a lot of potential for creating a lot of profit. And so I've decided to create a demo account here with Cedarfx so that I can test that strategy in a risk-free environment, explore it a little bit more, get used to it before I decide to take it to the live markets. I'm also testing out Cedarfx, which is a broker that I haven't used before, but they have got a lot of great features, as I mentioned before. Now, although they do offer a 0% commission option, this is because they offer an eco account option, and that's what I'm really interested in because there are tons of brokers out there. But what sets Cedarfx apart for me is the fact that they want to do something a little bit extra, and the environment means a lot to me. We only have one planet here. So if every time I trade, I know that they are planting a tree, I'm super happy with that, and that's the account I'm interested in signing up with. If you want some more information on Cedarfx, I have included a link below in the description. Meanwhile, if you've enjoyed this video, please do drop me a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!